We have day 14 of Advent of Code. Let's see how ChatGPT fares. So I will take the puzzle description, quite a long one this time, but I think the first part should be doable for ChatGPT. So that's the description. I will upload input file and let's see what happens. Right, so 223.020, yeah, that's correct. So the safety factor was not a problem for ChatGPT, so first part is already done, but I'm very interested to see what happens in second part, so. This one is more complicated because the Christmas tree is something that's not really something that's easily defined because there is no description of how the tree will look like. But what it is doing is it's calculating some density on the region, so that doesn't seem too bad. But so far doesn't find anything, so maybe it's like the density is too high here or something like that. But it's like it's doing something that's reasonably close to the right way to find the tree, so it's already surprisingly good. Don't think so. Okay, not really, no. So it got itself into some kind of pickle there. Doesn't do anything too useful. No. That's true. Let's try again. Completely wrong. One more chance. Like the first approach seemed the most likely or most close to what would be the right solution, but somehow it didn't. Maybe the threshold was just too high or something, but it didn't work out, so. It keeps resolving 0, which is completely wrong. You can see like the positions are all completely random, so there is nothing resembling a Christmas tree there. Oh, interesting. It's doing nice charts for us, but I don't see anything useful from this, especially as the right number of seconds is somewhere here, so probably the variable is not correct. Well, it's not happening, it seems. Like it's giving some interesting numbers, some interesting charts and tables, but the the point of it was to find a Christmas tree and it didn't. So I have to pronounce the second part as not solved by ChatGPT. And it is not that surprising because it was a kind of a look at the picture to see or figure out the logic behind it kind of problem. So yeah, unfortunately not the day that that ChatGPT solved in Advent of Code 2024. But then there is still more days to come, so maybe it will improve and solve some of the future dates as well. So thank you very much for joining, and I will see you tomorrow.